Dan the Natural Man Show. Hey everybody, it's Friday. We had some storms here yesterday, but thankfully all we got was rain. I hear there were some tornadoes in Mississippi, unfortunately. But anyway, today I want to talk about flax seeds. And look, I get flax seeds at the grocery store. I put them in a 1-gallon freezer bag, and I just keep mine in the freezer. I mean, if they're intact like this, you don't have to keep them in the freezer, but I do. They're always ready for me to throw in smoothies or for me to use as egg replacements. So, we're going to talk about high blood pressure and how flax seeds can help you with high blood pressure. Because we all know blood pressure. I've talked about blood pressure drugs before. You know, if you're on them, keep taking them. But know that they're just kind of they artificially lower the blood pressure. So the other problems you could be having, they won't correct. In order to correct the problems that could be leading to your blood pressure, you need to, eat more plant foods, do more exercise, do more relaxation and meditation, drink more water, plenty of things. There's a lot of things you can do with high blood pressure. Maybe I'll make a video about it, but today we want to focus on flax seeds. I had to get better at focusing. So here's a study. It was a double-blinded, 6-month study. It was with older people, and all these people were diagnosed as hypertensive, and they were all on blood pressure drugs. And every day, one of the groups received 1/4 cup of flax seeds. 1/4 cup. It's not that many. They would sneak it into their diet in ways such as baked goods, like they were given bran muffins, where they would bake ground flax seeds into the muffins. And remember, you have to grind your flax seeds for your body to absorb them. They have to be ground, okay? So each day the control group got 1/4 cup of flax seeds for 6 months, and the other group did not get the flax seeds. After 6 months, the group that got flax seeds, their systolic pressure dropped 10 points and their diastolic dropped 7 points, which is big, okay? But get this, the people who had a systolic blood pressure over 140, their systolic dropped 15 points. Just flax seeds. They're not doing anything else with these people. They're just giving them flax seeds. They're not making them exercise. They're not making them eat plant-based. Nothing. Just flax seeds. Okay? The conclusion of the study was this was the most potent dietary treatment ever for hypertension. I mean, it beats almost all your blood pressure drugs on the market. And these blood pressure drugs have so many side effects. And if you look at the studies, and I mean, Dr. Joe McDougall is a really good plant-based doctor. He said if you look at the studies on blood pressure drugs, they overhype the benefit. They'll tell you that they decrease your heart attack and stroke risk by 50%. They don't. They might reduce it by 1%. I mean, that's why I teach this. Sure, if these blood pressure drugs magically cured you, you wouldn't need people like me, but they don't. So you need dietary interventions, you need exercise, and you need relaxation, and you need a purpose, and you need to be happier and loving, okay? But today we're talking about flax seeds. And then the study said, well, but is it inevitable as we get older for our blood pressure to go up? What they found was people who ate a more vegetarian diet and or watched their salt intake, their blood pressure did not change over the lifespan. Okay? And look, exercise can be fun, I got into cycling about 8 years ago. I mean, I'm no pro or anything, but it's very fun and relaxing. And I love weightlifting, and I love cardio machines. Ellipticals are fun. Stair steppers are kind of fun. Stationary bikes, swimming, whatever you like. And flax seeds before I leave, the last study that I'm going to talk about, bioactive components and their cardiovascular benefits. Flax seeds have been shown in studies to be antihypertensive, well, this one means that they can help prevent building deposits in your arteries, which is a big deal. They lower your cholesterol. They're anti-inflammatory. They inhibit arrhythmias. One reason is because they are enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically linolenic acid, and the antioxidant lignin. They're also high in fiber. They're also high in proteins, cyclolinopeptides, and silogenic glycosides, which may also produce biological actions. These compounds could also be responsible for the cardiovascular effects of flaxseed. And I don't know if you've heard of Gandhi. Gandhi was the Indian that was always trying to push peace. I remember he had a quote saying, when flax seeds are introduced into a society or a community, health benefits will ensue. I mean, flax seeds, I'm telling you, they are potent, not just for high blood pressure, but for other things. And we could talk about flax seeds at a later date. But I hope you like this video. I might make one soon on about other things you can do to lower your blood pressure. But now we all know that flax seeds is one of those things we need to be doing. So please subscribe to my channel. Check out my page, danthenaturalman.com. And remember, until next time, keep it natural.